Hello, today I'm gonna explain how to upload an image to a server. So there's many servers that you in which you can upload your image to. But one I'm gonna search for is I'm going to look for Giphy, which is a website where you can upload GIFs, specifically GIFs, to a server. And it will be stored there, and you can use the GIFs. Now, what purpose does this serve? Well, I'm gonna just show you. If I search like a car, I look at images. Yes, I'm on Bing. Actually, I'd rather go on Google. Give me a second. Car. Now you have a bunch of cars, and if I do this, boom. Now it's gonna bring me to a website. If I do this again, this is the image in the server. Now, what can I do with this? What I can do is I can copy this, and in a website where it's gonna, some websites are gonna ask an image URL, which is this. You, some websites won't accept an image directly from your computer. They want to have an image URL. So if I paste it in, I do updates, it's gonna change the image to the car right here. You see the cars right there. It worked. With the image. I can remove the image, URL, date, and now it's gone. It's back to where it was, how it is by default. So that's what it is for. Now, how do you upload one of these? Explain, you gotta upload these to a server like Giphy, which is for GIFs specifically. Now, I'm gonna explain how to upload to Giphy. Just click upload. Now you can choose a GIF to upload. I'm gonna choose one. Even accepts MP4s, which will automatically convert it to GIF. I will choose this image. See the petting GIF. Now, set it public. I'm gonna keep it public, and just gonna click upload to Giphy. Upload complete. Now what I can do is just copy link, copy to clipboard. I can go back here, set in my image URL, update, and look, silly GIF is here. It's my image was now uploaded to the server. Hooray! So again, I'm going to remove this real quick. Alright, so you got your image and where they are stored on the account for Giphy. I'm gonna explain specifically for Giphy. I can look at my profile, and they're all here. All your GIFs. You can just click, and there's a here. You can copy link and add it back. So that is how you upload an image to a server. Hooray!